Coast fishermen begin their season with quarter of their workforce, many brought by flight. 3 unrelated rickshaws gutted in Kolwa's Mongol area, owners allege foul play. Former Kalangut Sarpanch alleges that drugs business in Kalangut flourishes thanks to MLA, police, panchayat patronage. Teachers' Day celebrated. President Ramnath Kovind honors outstanding teachers with National Teachers Award via virtual function. Hello and welcome. This is Susan Gomes and I shall take you through the news in detail. The number of coronavirus cases in India have reached 40.23 lakhs after recording a biggest single-day spike of more than 86,000 cases in the last 24 hours. India is recording more than 80,000 cases for the consecutive third day in a row. India also reported more than 1,000 deaths for the fourth day straight.
A single-day jump of 86,432 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 1,089 deaths were reported and 70,072 patients have recovered. India has reported 40,23,179 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 8.46 lakh mark. 69,561 deaths are reported and more than 31,07,223 patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 8.63 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 4.76 lakh, Tamil Nadu 4.51 lakh, Karnataka 3.79 lakh, UP 2.53 lakh. Almost 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 2.68 crore, 8.79 lakh deaths are reported and 1.89 crore have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 60 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 39.97 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 40.23 lakh cases. Russia 10.15 lakh cases and Peru with 6.63 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Drugs in Goa are not new. Now with the Sushant Rajput case, this has hit the national headlines again. On Saturday, former Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira has alleged that this is happening because of the patronage of local MLA Michael Lobo, Kalangut Police Inspector Nolasco Raposo and members of the Panchayat. He said that he was speaking to media as all this was spoiling the name of the village. Here's more.
On Saturday, former Kalangut Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira came down heavy on the government and the police department. He made serious allegations against local MLA, police and Panchayat. He says he has filed complaints with the police department and will soon be filing a formal complaint to DIG and Narcotic Department. Watch what he has to say.
This Pablo Escobar name is given by Rohan County to Mr. Michael Lobo, right? And he's from Parra. That everyone knows, whole world knows now. And he is the one who supports everyone on drugs. Earlier, I'll tell you how he has a restaurant, Luda. He had a restaurant. I don't know if he still has it in Anjuna, right? Earlier, you all see in those years, in 2010, what was going on in Ludo. Earlier, he was even taking मडक्या कोत्तालो पळय तो अदनवेर तो खूब स्वातेर विकतालो आनी आमी जाण आसले आनी तो उमके उमके स्वातेर बसतालो तो आपणाचे मोडक्यो घेवन रायट आनी तितून मोडक्यांनी कितें कितें आहलें तें आमी जाण आसले.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
The daylight murder of goldsmith Swapnil Walke in the heart of Margao town has shocked entire Goa. This murder has triggered fears among the goldsmith community. Everyone is asking the same questions in the backdrop of the spine-chilling murder. Are we safe? Meanwhile, Police Inspector C.L. Patil has been put in charge of the investigation by the SP Crime. Here's more to the story.
Crime Branch SP Sobit Saxena has appointed PI C.L. Patil as investigative officer in the Swapnil Walke murder case. Patil is the same cop who had arrested notorious criminal Mahanand Naik. Ponda Gold Dealers Association President expressed concern over lack of safety in the city. Ponda Jewelers pointed out that 22 CCTV cameras were installed 5 years ago from the MP-led function in 16 locations. However, they are merely showpieces out of service for the past 3 years. Ponda Gold Dealers Association President Rajendra Karekar said the murder has led to gold jewelers feeling insecure and want police to strictly conduct day-night patrolling in and around jewelry shops.
सावयकरान ताका सक्सेसर आसलो तेणें मागीर ती बसयल्यो पूण ताणें एक लक्षात घेवना की बाबा कोणें ताचेर मेंटेनन्स करपाचें फक्त बसून तशें दवरल्या तर म्युनिसिपालिटीन कोणाची मेंटेनन्स करना ना आमचो खासदारूय करना हांव तांचे कडेन मागता की म्युनिसिपालिटीन आतां तरी ज्यो आमच्यो CCTV कॅमेरास आसा ते सारके करचे आतांचे परिस्थितीन आतांची जर परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार आयच्या काळाची गरज आसा CCTV बसोवप म्हटल्यार फाटल्या दिसांनी खबर आसतली पडगांव कितें जालें ते फोंड्या घडचें न्ही परत आतां म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन किंवा कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी कडेन मागता की ताणें बेगिनात बेगीन त्यो सारकी करच्यो जाल्यार नवे तरेची CCTV कॅमेराज बसोवचे.
Police should intensify patrolling near jewelry shops and install CCTV cameras in the areas which are not monitored. And this is also the demand of goldsmiths from Vasco. They want police to convene a meeting of jewelry shop owners to find a permanent solution for their safety.
आता मेन सांगपाक गेल्यार म्हटल्यार कितें पयरचो जो इन्सिडंट जाला तो परत घडपाचो न्ही हेच्या खातीर कितें तरी उपाय करपाचो हे लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जावं आमचे लोकल कावन्सिलर जावं हे आमचो कालूस बाब आसा हांगा कितें तरी आमकां कित्याक आमी भयानूच आसतले हेच्या फुडें आनीक अशें जर भयान जालें जाल्यार आमी धंदो करपाक पावपाना.
Former MLA Uday Bhemre expressed his concern about the safety of shop owners and traders over this murder. He said the government has not learned anything from the past crimes. As a result, the criminal activities are rising in the state.
असं फाटी म्हापशांत अशी गजाल घडिल्ली ते गजालींतल्यान जर योग्य बोध सरकारान घेतिल्लो आनी पुलीस यंत्रणेन घेतिल्लो जाल्यार घडये हें टाळूं येतालें. आतां हें कित्याक घडलां कोणाक लागून घडलां आनी ताजे फाटलें कारण कितें हें तपासा उपरांत कळपाचें पूण तो तपास पसून सारको जाता काय कितें हे विशीं लोकांच्या मनांत दुबाव आसा आनी दुबावाचें कारण अशें की तुमी एक वस्त पुलीस खातें इन्वेस्टिगेट करता जाल्यार दुसरी वस्त क्रायम ब्रँची कडेन दिता ही दितात ती दिनात एका केसीचे तपास जाता दुसरे केसीचो सारको तपासूच जायना आनी अश्यो तपास जायनाशिल्ल्यो कितल्योश्योच केसी आसा.
Cleofato Almeida Coutinho said the government has not taken this matter seriously.
As far as this issue is concerned, handing over to the crime branch, I don't find any malified motive. In fact, the police inspector C.L. Patil, to whom this matter is handed over, is a senior, experienced and a known hand who has earlier won accolades from the society, the government and sometimes the courts. That way, anyway, let us see how the issue unfolds.
The heinous murder on the streets of Margao has proved illegal and criminal activities are openly taking place, said Bayalanso Ekwod, president out of Viegas. She also demanded that private hospitals should admit persons injured in crimes.
Now this has opened a Pandora's box. What is a Pandora's box? When you open the box, you can find all kinds of things. Here we have found that drugs, trafficking and illegal weapons are just flowing into our state. How they are flowing is a thing that the policing has to take note of. And if they take note of it and try to curb it, I know that 100% you can't stop illegal activity, but you can make a beginning, you can send a message, strong message, that no one carrying or manufacturing an illegal arm will be tolerated in the peace-loving state of Goa. And all Margaonkars
Krishna Naik, Hiro Mahale, Ramesh Naik Raut, Sandeep Twankar for Goa 365 from Ponda, Vasco and Margaon.
We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Teachers' Day was celebrated in India on Saturday. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of the second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This time, President Ram Nath Kovind honored teachers with National Teachers Award 2020 in a virtual ceremony.
In India, the day is being celebrated since 1962. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has extended his warm greetings to the teaching fraternity. On the auspicious occasion of the 59th Teachers' Day 2020, I have great pleasure in extending my warm and very sincere greetings to the teaching community of India. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day, was a teacher par excellence, a great philosopher and noted educationist. While celebrating the Teachers' Day, we respectfully pay homage to him and recall the monumental role played by teachers as builders of the nation. On this occasion, I appeal to the teaching community of Goa to draw inspiration from Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and discharge their duties with renewed sense of dedication and commitment. On Teachers' Day, students spoke about their problems as they do not meet the teachers personally. They are forced to study online using their mobiles. Then there is network problem faced by the students. Listen to one of them.
आज टीचर्स डे सो आम्ही वर्चुअलीच विश केले टीचर्साक व्हॉट्सएपाचेर तांकां आमी मेसेजीस धाडले ग्रुपाचेर तेन आनी आमकां तशें सेलिब्रेशन करपाक मेळना जशें आमी स्कुला करतालीं खूब अशें म्हळ्यार सगळें वर्चुअलीच जाता अशें जालें.
ह्या हेजेल्यान कितें दिसता तुमकां ह्या हेजेर आतां ऑनलायन तुमी शिक्षण घेता तेजेर?
ऑनलायन शिक्षण तशेंच आसा जशें की म्हळ्यार तितलें ना बट तरी सुद्दां मेन म्हळ्यार नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम जाताच. खूप लोकां जाता थोडी रुरल एरिया सुद्दां उरता तांकां नेटवर्क मेळना नेटवर्का लागून मातशें दुसऱ्या प्लेसीचेर वचून बसपा पडटा.
Students of St. Aloysius School of Banawali composed a song for the occasion. President Kovind presents national awards to teachers via video conferencing on the occasion.
केंद्रीय शिक्षा मंत्री श्री रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक जी, केंद्रीय शिक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्री संजय धोत्रे जी, राष्ट्रीय शिक्षक पुरस्कार से सम्मानित शिक्षकगण, देवी और सज्जनों, शिक्षक दिवस पर आप सभी को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
On the heels of the murder in Margaon, now 3 rickshaws were gutted in fire at Mongol and Kolva. Owners of the rickshaws suspect foul play behind this incident. They say that all 3 rickshaws were parked in different places. So how can all 3 rickshaws catch fire at one time, they ask.
Kranti Auto Rickshaw President Javed Sheikh has threatened to hit the streets in protest if Kolva police do not do in-depth investigation of this matter. The 3 rickshaws belonging to Kader Shah Makandar, Sharfuddin Sheikh and Chandrakant Naik were gutted in fire. All 3 rickshaws were reduced to ashes. Locals say that nobody is scared of the police as they know that people get away with literally murder, either because they are connected to the politicians or know the right policemen.
Kader Makandar and Sheikh Sharfuddin यांची रिक्षा राती कोणे पेटयल्ली आसा कोणे तें आमकां खबर ना आनी जे रिक्षा एकूच जाग्यार दवरले बाबा कोणी पिवन पेटयले म्हणून सांगपाक शकता पूण एकूच जाग्यार दवरूं ना रिक्षा एक रस्त्या सायडीर आसताली ट्रान्सफॉर्मर सायडीन दुसरी दिसता शरफुद्दीन शेख अनवरालो भाव तो रायटान भितर खाची आनी दुसरी कादर मकानदार कोलवा रोड बिफोर ओवर ब्रिज लेफ्ट सायडीन रस्त्यार आसताली सायडीन आनी आतां जेन्ना वर्सां जाली रिक्षा थंय आसता एक जाग्यार कोण पिवन बेबद्यान पेटयले म्हणून सांगपाक येता पूण हे पिवन कोण हो प्लान केला आणि सगळे गाडयो सोडून आमची रिक्षात पेटयल्या एक आसा लेफ्टान भितर ब्रिजा कडेन दुसरी रिक्षा आसा रायटान भितर आनी एक कपेल अपोजीट भितर आसा ते खाचीन ते दारान आसता 5 मिटर सुद्दां डिस्टन्स ना लेफ्टान जो आसा सेम प्रोसिजर ते दारांतल्यान 10 मिटर सुद्दां दिसना आतां राती 2-2:30 म्हळ्यार लोकांक न्हीद लागता आतां लोकांक कितें आमचे एक रिक्षावाल्याक एक तर भाडें ना एक तर सगळे त्रासान पडल्यात आसा आनी हो एक रिक्षावाल्याचो सगळ्यांक भंय जाला आनी आकांत आयला आयज फाल्यां तुका म्हाका आनी कोणाच्या सांगपाक शकता न्ही. आतां पुलिसान कितें आसा जाताच जाता हेजेर एक्शन घेवपाचें आनी पुलिसान कितें आसा कारवाय करपाची.
तो गाडयेचो मुद्दम केला. आमच्या फाटल्यान लोक आसता ताका हे लोक भायर काडला. लोक भायर काडून ते पायप ओढून उजो लायला. सगळे बरे भशेन आनी वांगडा रावता हांगा.
और ये बोलो घर के कितना अंदर है देखो गाड़ी है.
आनी हे कितें आसा भायल्यान रस्त्यार गाडी
सगळी गाडी पयस
आतां एक कितें जालें तेकून दारा आतां एक प्लास्टीक सगळें लासून गेले सारकें. बरें जालें ते वाश्याल तुका पावस थंय लागून उदो लागपाचो.
दोन सवा दोन भितर राती 1:30-2 भितर जाली. 3 रिक्षा आशिल्ल्यो आमचे मंगळार. 3 रिक्षाक उदक पिटलें. मागीर आमचे वाड्यावाले ते येवन माश आपयलो. फायर बकेट येयले ते मागीर आमी पळयले सगळे जलून गेले.
Sandeep Twenkar for Goa 365 from Margao.
Vasco's fishing boat owners say they cannot start full-scale fishing activity because of labour shortage. They say they have begun their operations with mere 25% of their workforce, and many of them have been brought here by flight.
This year, fishing activity has begun late because of coronavirus pandemic. Labourers who had gone home during the monsoon break are unable to come because of lack of transport. Some have been brought by plane.
जायते प्रॉब्लेम जाले आनी ते प्रॉब्लेम म्हणल्यार हे वर्करांचे. जेन्ना सुरवातीक एज ए प्रेसिडेंट म्हणून हांवें कलेक्टरा कडेन मारगांव मिटींग येयली आनी कलेक्टरान म्हाका प्रॉमीस केलें, सावथ गोवा कलेक्टर, ताणें म्हाका प्रॉमीस केल्लें की जशे लेबर आमी आमचे वर्कर जे बोटीचें काम करताले ते आमी ताका जाण एकल्या पात्रांवांनी एक फुडाकार घेवन म्हणजे एक जबाबदारी जे वर्करांक कशें सांबाळपाचें ती एक चिंतून तेणी आपल्या वर्करांक स्पेशल AC बस करून हिंगा धाडलेले तेच्या गांवांत ओरिसा. आनी ते हांवें कलेक्टराक पटोवन दिले. हांवें कलेक्टराक सांगलें की हे भाशेन आमी आमच्या वर्करांक धाडल्या आनी जी गव्हर्मेंटाची जी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसली की ह्या वर्करांक धाडपाची ती आमी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतल्या म्हणून. ताका लागून हांवें कलेक्टरा कडच्यान एक एश्युरन्स घेयल्लें की कलेक्टर तूं जेन्ना आमचें सिजन स्टार्ट जातलें ऑगस्टान तेन्ना तुमी आमचे लेबर हाडपाक कोत्तले वो ना जाल्यार कलेक्टरान म्हाका सांगलें, सावथ गोवा कलेक्टर, की आमी मंथ ऑफ जुलाय ऑफ 15th हे तेन्ना आमी मानाय हाडपाक सुरवात करतले. पूण कांय जावंक ना. पात्रांवांनी तांकां आयज स्पेशल बस करून परत आमकां बिजनेस हाडले. थोडे वर्कर जे काम करपी जावं शिंवपी आनी कितें करपी ते स्पेशल आंध्रासान प्लेनान येयले. इतलें जावन देखून अबावट 25% देखून बोट्यो आयज चालू जावंक ना.
माझे 2 डिंगी आसा. दोनी वयर आसा. लेबर ना म्हणून हांव सारको बंद आसा. घरान बसता आनी कांय ना. काम ना, धंदो बेश्टे येता. रापणेचे मातशें हांव एकटो शिंवता आनी वयता घरा.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We shall slip into a short break. Don't go away. Welcome back. Other states have announced packages to mining dependents in the backdrop of COVID-19. South Goa Truck Owners Association also wants this type of assistance as they say they are facing loads of problems. They also want the government to restart mining to bring Goa's economy back on tracks.
The truck owners from Sawarde are upset. They are saying that the government is promising to help them out like waiving of taxes, but say that it was waived off only after paying it. They want the state government to speak to the central government to restart mining activities.
2012 मायनिंग बंद आहा. पूण मदें कितें चालू केलें लोक हॅपी जावन गाडी रिपेरिंग बीन सगळी केल्यो पूण तेजी कांयच इफेक्ट जालो ना. रिपेरिंग केला तेजे पयशे वयल्यान चड पयशे आमगेले आनी त्रासां पडले. लोकांक रीण काडला तेंय आनी त्रासां पडले. पूण आतां आमकां गव्हर्मेंट जावं कोर्टां तारीख दीत आहाय. आज करतले हाल करतले डेट दीत आहाय आमकां. पूण आमकां एकू आजून आश्वासन दिलो तें सारकें एकू हें जालें ना. पूण हांव तितलें म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंटाक बेगीन चालू करपाचें. भुरग्यांनी जरी तुमी हें करून लोकांक हें पळय स्टार्ट करे मायनींग आनी लोक तेन्ना लोकांक बरे भाशेन मायनींग चालू करूंक मेळटलें. हें गाडी रिपेर करून मेळटल्यो मायनींग चालू जाता म्हण लोकांनी सगळे भाशेन आमी सावथ गोवान जायते भाशेन आमी मांडिलें टॅक्स माफ करूंक म्हणलें 2012 मायनींग बंद आहा म्हणून टॅक्स माफ कर म्हणलें आमकां टॅक्स माफ करता लोकांक टॅक्स सगळे भरतरी मागीर टॅक्स माफ करताय आमकां हें कांयच फायदो जायना पण ट्रीप 2 ट्रीप मारले जाल्यार तें टॅक्स माफ जायना हें कितें लोकांक फुडोवपाक आमकां खबर ना गोवोरमेंटान बेगीन दिन हाडपाक कितें तरी आमचे उपाय आमचे उपाय घेवपाक जाय आमकां कोरोना लागून आतां हें पळय जालां आमी कोणें जायते ट्रक टॅक्स भरूंक सोदताले गोवोरमेंटान तें कोरोना लागून हें केलें लॉकडावन करतरी लोकांक तें टॅक्स भरूंक मेळना आनी तो अजून पासून तेणें आमकां तें हें दिलना टायम दिलना तेणें आमकां सांगलें टायम तो तुमकां हें टॅक्स भरपाक आनी ताका लागून आमी केलें आतां तें लोकांक टॅक्स फायन घेवन टॅक्स भरला जें पळय टॅक्स पळय भायर पळय हें केलां त्या भाशेन तुमी हिंगा करपा जाय तामिळनाडू हिंगा थिंगा ऑर्डर काडल्यो सगल्यो केल्यो आनी गोवोरमेंटान तेंगे गोवोरमेंटान तें हें केलां आमगे गोवोरमेंट कांयच करना
मायनींग चालू जाले शिवाय जे सरकाराचे रेवेन्यू म्हणून जर सरकाराक कितें गव्हर्मेंट चलोवपाक राज्य चलोवपाक जी पयशांची गरज आसा ती मायनिंगा शिवाय फास्ट हेजेर कोणूच दिवंक शकना दुसरो पर्याय ना हे सगळे थराचेर मान्य केलां सरकारान मान्य केलां गोंयचें मार्केट जें आसा तेजो रेट्स ते वाडत गेल्यात डिपेंडंट कितली सफर जाल्या हें हांव वेगळें सांगपाची गरज ना परत मायनींग तशी सुरू जालें जाल्यार आसा त्या मायनींग म्हणजे ट्रान्सपोर्ट रेटीन म्हणून बाकीचे कांय पगाराचे स्लॅबान म्हणजे ते तांकां तर डिपेंडंटाचे हें आसा तितूंतल्यान सुरू केलें जाल्यार तेंगे तें सर्वायवल जावचें ना तेन्ना ट्रान्सपोर्टाचे रेट म्हणा बाजाराक जे हेजे रेट आसा ते देंवयले शिवाय ट्रान्सपोर्टाचो रेट वाडयले शिवाय हे सर्वायव जावचें ना उलट आसा तितलें तें रीण काडून जे आपले कितें एक्टिविटी चालू करतले ट्रक चालू करतले आनी कितें कितें मेंटेनन्स करतले हितून खर्च करतले ते खर्चांकूच ते आनी सोंपल्यांक जमा जातले.
Prahar Savardekar for Goa 365 from Savarde.
Amidst tension in Galwan Valley, there are talks that the Chinese army has abducted 5 Indians from Arunachal Pradesh. Congress MLA Ninong Ering has made this charge. However, the Indian army has helped Chinese citizens stranded in northern Sikkim. Border tension between India and China is escalating for the last several days. The tension is yet to be pacified. While on the other hand, China has continued to play its dirty tactics. China's People Liberation of Army has abducted 5 Indian nationals from Arunachal Pradesh, Congress MLA has claimed. Meanwhile, Indian Army assisted the Chinese nationals stranded in Sikkim on the height above 17,500 feet. Along with medical aid, they were provided food and warm clothes and later showed them the way. Meanwhile, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh met his Chinese counterpart General Wei Feng in Russia on Friday, marking the first direct face-to-face talks between the political leadership in New Delhi and Beijing since border tensions began early May. The meeting lasted for 2 hours 20 minutes. Bureau Report, Goa 365. With that, we've come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.